Hello, this is Dean Peterson, CSC 235, Week 5 Screencast. Here we have the Sunrun registration program. I will replace Fred's last name with something easy to spot in the list and click Add New Runner Information. And Fred appears in the list with the hard-coded test sponsor. Looking at some of the code behind that, we have a SQL statement with question marks in place of some of the parameters. Then the preparation called on the connection with the SQL, the binding of the parameters, and the execution of the SQL. In particular, this is a SQL to insert into the sponsor table, not the actual runner table. Now let's look at the stored procedure. Here I call stored procedure, and I use prepared SQL for this as well to avoid running into a similar security problem. So here's the SQL, all hard-coded, no security issues, just question marks. And this array is the parameters, which I pass all in once using this ... PHP syntax into the binding of the parameters before executing the stored procedure. The stored procedure is this one right here. As you can see, it takes the ID of the runner to update and a bunch of information about the runner, and then runs an update statement where the runner ID is the runner ID passed in. Finally, if I select Fred AAA, I can delete him. This concludes my screencast.